Hello everyone. This is Flo USA. So for today's video guys, mag-unbox po tayo ng coffee maker. It's Hamilton. Yes, mag-unbox po tayo guys. So binili ko po siya sa Amazon. Charot, sa Amazon. Anyway guys, ano pa ba dito? Basta coffee maker lang siya. It's 12 cups. So, that's a lot of coffee. So, anyway guys, huwag na natin patagalin at buksan na natin itong coffee maker na to. Nasira kasi yung coffee maker namin, kaya ayun. You know na. Yun yung aso ko sa tabi guys. You know na, coffee is life. So, anyway. Oops. Parang nag-shake din yung aking camera. Charot. Sige na, hayaan na natin. Anyway guys, buksan na natin si Mr. Hamilton. Tangkad niya guys. Oh, my manual. Charot. So, shell. Oh, laki pala niya guys. OMG. So, anyway. Malaki pala siya guys. Kala ko maliit. Laki niya. Tada! So, ito na siya, guys. Dami namang abubot ni Titch. So, this is our coffee maker. Daming basura. Oh, wow. I like that. It's big, too. Daw. Anyway, laki pala niya. I wasn't expecting this big. So anyway guys, buksan natin. Malaki siya ha. Fairness. Malaki. Coffee is life talaga. Daming basura. Lagot naman ako nito sa tagalinis. So, I like that you can program. They say you can program. So, tanggalin natin itong tape na i-ditch. May tape kasi siya guys. So, siya. Kasi nira ko na. Pabubukas lang. Pabubukas lang. Sira na. So, anyway guys, ito na siya. Paano ba ito buksan? Paano ba ito buksan? Ayoko na magbasa ng manual eh. Ah, duh! So, water goes here, I believe. Yep. No. Yep, water goes here. Dito guys. Off and on. Nandyan yung button. Pero paano siya buksan? Ay, naka-tape pa pala guys. Sorry. Syungi. Kaya hindi siya mabuksan. Oh my gosh. What is wrong with me? Yan! Oh, social! Guys, look. Social. Tada! Oh. Yan siya guys. Social. Taray ng lola mo. So anyway guys, ito yung ating, ay may tape pa pala siya, kaya pala hindi mabukas-bukas guys. Diyos mo yung marimar. Ang dami pa namang tape nito, kaya pala hindi siya mabukas-bukas. First time guys, nag-unbox ng coffee maker. Ano ba yung tape na yun? Ay, hindi. Ewan ko para saan to. Pabasa ko na lang sa asawa ko. Ewan ko para saan siya. Pero guys, yung water, dito pala siya sa likod. Hindi siya dun sa harap guys. Dito sa likod. So, para what's the purpose? What's the purpose of this? Actually, yeah, I was right guys. You can actually do both. Kasi may ano siya, may daanan din siya sa likod. So anyway guys, yan lang yung ating unboxing ng mag-unbox tayo ng coffee maker na wala akong kaalam-alam. Yan siya guys. Ang laki niya. Talaga naman. Ganyan siya kalaki guys. So anyway guys, yan siya. Very simple. Just a coffee maker with a manual. Just gonna tell my husband to read it. He likes reading. I don't. So anyway guys, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so every time I will upload a new video, you will be notified. And also don't forget to share it to your family